There are various ways to earn money from your mobile device. Here are some popular methods. 1. Mobile apps. You can earn money by using mobile apps that offer rewards or pay you for completing specific tasks. This can include taking surveys, participating in market research, watching videos, playing games, or downloading and testing new apps. Some popular apps in this category include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Cash Pirate. 2. Freelancing platforms. Many freelancing platforms have mobile apps that allow you to find freelance work and earn money. You can offer your skills and services in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, or social media management. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have mobile apps that make it easy to find and complete freelance gigs. 3. Online marketplaces. You can use mobile apps to buy and sell products or services on online marketplaces. Platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Poshmark allow you to set up a shop and sell items directly from your mobile device. You can sell handmade crafts, vintage items, clothing, or other goods. 4. Mobile advertising. If you have a mobile app or a website with mobile traffic, you can earn money through mobile advertising. You can sign up with mobile ad networks such as Google AdMob, Facebook Audience Network, or InMobi to display ads within your app or mobile website. You earn revenue based on ad impressions or clicks. 5. Content creation. If you have creative skills, you can create and monetize content on mobile platforms. For example, you can start a YouTube channel and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. You can also create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or music through platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, Udemy, or Bandcamp. 6. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can earn money by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral. You can join affiliate programs of various companies and promote their products through your mobile device. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction offer affiliate programs for mobile users. 7. Mobile gaming. If you enjoy gaming, you can earn money by playing mobile games that offer cash prizes or rewards. There are mobile apps and platforms specifically designed for competitive gaming or skill-based challenges where you can earn money by participating in tournaments or winning challenges. Remember, while these methods can help you earn money from your mobile device, it's important to be cautious and do your research. Look for reputable platforms and apps, be aware of potential scams, and consider your time and effort investment versus the potential earnings. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.